This is our little home, and we have been traveling in it for over 9 months now. It's given us a new perspective on people and places, which we have experienced a lot of good regarding both recently. This van has pushed us to be better version of ourselves at every opportunity we're afforded, making better food choices and pushing us to move our bodies so much more than we have before.
By now, you've heard us mention Care of a few times over the last year, and there's a reason why we continue using their products and confidently partnering with them. We trust the transparency and research they put into their products and how they personalize the experience for us based on what our health goals are. We took the in-depth online quiz, which is like a one-on-one consult, and had our vitamins shipped directly to us where we were able to pick them up. It's easy to adjust our plan, pause, or cancel, so this month I kept rhodiola for stress and mood support, but added astaxanthin for skin and eye health, while Marie-Jose kept a probiotic blend for gut and immune health and iron, which is important for her with her diet. Care of also has an easy-to-use app that helps you track your vitamins, and you can even earn rewards and discounts when you stay consistent with taking them. We appreciate that our personalized daily packs are made with an eco-friendly compostable film. You can find more info on how to compost them at takecareof.com/p/eco. Take the quiz using the link below and see what vitamins and supplements Care of recommends for you. And get 50% off your first order with our promo code TIO50. That's TIO50.
Hi friends, I'm Maria-Jose.
I'm Chase.
And we have been traveling since August of 2018.
First we were in a school bus, now we're in our van, and we've been on the road in it for just over 9 months.
And something that traveling full-time brought us is community.
That's one thing that we didn't expect when we hit the road, and it's been something that's played out true again and again and again. And we wanted to take an opportunity to highlight one of our friends who we think is just a gift to the world. And we think that you'll see things the way that we see them.
We hope you enjoy Sarah's tour. We asked her a couple of questions. Let us know in the comments down below, who do you would like to see next? And we hope you enjoyed today's video.
Hi Sarah, can we come in?
Hey guys, welcome to my home.
Hey, thanks for inviting us over and letting us, see your whole van and ask you a bunch of random questions. So, what's the first thing that you did this morning?
We have hammocks set up over there and I went to go journal.
Did you write anything good?
Yes, definitely.
Awesome. What's one word that describes you best?
I would say adventurous.
I would agree with that. How long have you been on the road?
I've been on the road for almost 2 years now.
What is your favorite thing that's happened to you this year?
In Montana, I dug some crystals. So this is some of the quartz I got in Montana.
You're going to be taking us to
Definitely
do this.
taking you guys.
What's your favorite spot in your van?
Over here I have this drawer. It's my closet, but it also doubles as a seat. And so I pull it out, latch it in like this, and I can sit and even use this as a table.
What book are you reading at the moment?
Down here I have my journals and books. And so the book I'm reading right now is Eating Animals by Jonathan Safran Foer. I highly recommend.
What lessons have you learned since living in your van?
That you don't need a shower every day. You just don't.
What has this lifestyle allowed you to do more of?
Spend time in nature and meet more like-minded people.
Isn't that the best part about this?
It is. Meeting you guys was so great.
Where do you cook?
Here I have an induction cooktop that pulls out, and then I can just press on and set the power, but I'm not gonna do that right now.
Speaking of, what's your go-to meal?
Tofu scrambles for breakfast are super good.
This one I had to ask because we have one. What's your favorite spoon or bowl, if you have one?
I have two actually, so I'll show you both of them. This is a bowl. It's a little dirty, but I got this bowl in Bali, Indonesia when I went. And this spoon, my friend actually made. She whittled it from some wood in the forest. So, pretty cool.
What is something that makes you smile?
Maria Jose.
She's the best.
She is.
How do you keep your van organized?
Over here I have some hooks. So I have hooks here, I have a hook here, and a hook here, and I just hang backpacks and my speaker and just different things like that. It's just some extra storage and it's nice.
So you've been traveling for a while. Where are you going next?
Next I'm going to Colorado, and then I have a flight to Costa Rica. So not doing van life over there, but that will be really fun.
How do you host people in your van, and how many people have you had in your van at one time?
Oh, so I have that seat, and then I have the bed. People go on the bed, and I have this swivel seat over here too. So I can swivel this seat, and I want to say maybe 6 or 7 people in here.
Everyone's always curious. It might be a taboo topic. How do you use the bathroom?
So I don't have a restroom in here, but that's fine because I spend a lot of time in nature. I do have a pee jug that I use when I'm in cities, but if I'm in nature, I just use the restroom outside. I also have this shovel over here that's attached with a carabiner. So I can take this carabiner off and then use this big shovel. I use this for digging crystals too, but I dig a hole in the ground 6 inches deep, go number 2 in there, cover it up, and put a big rock on top. So that's how I use the restroom in nature.
What is one bit of advice for someone who might want to start van life?
I would say start with what you have. Whatever car you currently have. I traveled in a Honda Accord. I traveled in a Suburban. Just, crank down the seats, put a little foam pad in, maybe some window covers if you want to get fancy, and just start, and you'll figure it out. You'll figure out what you need.
That's really good advice. Where do you envision yourself over the next 5 years?
I envision myself still traveling, probably, I would say, maybe internationally. I think I'll always have a van, and if I do have a house or a piece of land, I'll just have that and a van. So maybe I'll do something like that in 5 years.
You're quite the creative type. So how can all of our friends find you online?
I have a YouTube channel where I make short films and videos and vlogs, and that's Sarah Yak. And on my Instagram, it's Sarah Yak _ Sarah with an H, Yak is Y-A-K.
Can I look around your van really quickly?
Of course.
Thanks for bringing this in, Sarah.
Thanks for coming. Bye.
If you would like to support our friend Sarah, feel free to subscribe to her YouTube channel and browse her website, which has a ton of her writing as well as jewelry she makes and crystals she mines. We hope you enjoyed today's video.
Thanks for being part of our little community. If you don't know, we post regularly on Sundays, bright and early in the morning.
Yes, and if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to hang out with you every Sunday.
Come and see us, interact down below. There's nothing that we love more than getting to know each one of you all and seeing you here with us each week.
See you, amigues. Bye.